What's up, Tech Nation? It's time to talk failure. Yeah, we've had a few failures. I'm going to start with MoviePass. I first announced MoviePass before the holidays when nobody knew what MoviePass was. Very few people knew. Everybody knows what it is now because they're dying. They're dying fast. At no point during MoviePass did I think they were making money. Why they borrowed another $5 million recently to pay out to keep it open and going, I have no idea. Who would lend them that? Who would invest in that? Who would buy stock in MoviePass? I mean, it's a losing proposition. But anyway, MoviePass has become a big failure. They've already started blocking movies. Now they've changed their terms of service. There is no more peak pricing, so they're not going to charge you money, but you can only see 3 movies a month. This is getting ridiculous. It's like a parent. Yeah, so don't bother using MoviePass unless you go to the movies. We never went to the movies. We went like twice a year, and we would just check out the blockbusters. We now go all the time because we had MoviePass that let us watch movies every day. So we watched every movie in every theater every day. It was awesome. It gave me a place to walk around and all that good stuff. So stay away from MoviePass. Failure number 2, Apple HomePod. Apple HomePod has been nothing but a failure. It's left rings on people's tables. It's connected and its backbone is Siri. Siri, are you serious? Are you kidding me? I'm surprised my phone didn't go off right now just because I said its name. I wouldn't bother. Stay away from HomePod. It's like the Microsoft phone. It came out way too late and it's not good enough. So take care of yourself and your wallet, and don't get the HomePod. Go with like a Google Home or an Alexa, which has already got third-party apps working on it. You can control your house with it. I think Apple really blew it. They've blown it in a lot of things. Apple TV, they've blown it with. They stuck that out there and then forgot all about it and never went back to Apple TV, the first generation. They just kicked out another generation. So those are the 2 failures I want to warn you about. Don't invest in them. All right? If you know of a failure that's going on right now, I need you to put it down in the comments below so we can all be warned of what to stay away from. All right? Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.